Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the type of currency in the Amazon shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the third option. After you are done with that, you should wait until the new page loads in, and now you should look at the top of your right corner, and there you will find a flag and two letters next to it. Press on that, and here you should select the third option, which is the currency, and you can see here that by default it is set to the USD dollar, so you just press on it. And here you can change to any other currency that you want. Now of course the selection here is a little bit limited, but you can see here most of the well-known currencies, and if you want to change to any of these, all you have to do is just press on that you want to select, and finally just press done at the bottom of your screen. And after doing so, you should wait a little bit until the app refreshes, and now you will have that currency selected. So yeah, this is pretty much all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.